A brisket burger with some bacon onion jam. Woohoo! That's what we're doing for Burger of the Week. Hey y'all, you're gonna enjoy this one, I guarantee it. Hey, let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, to get things started, you need a lot of onions and you need a fair amount of bacon as well. So I'm gonna say you need roughly 2 to 3 onions. I got 2 yellow onions here that I'm just gonna slice thinly, just like this. I got one ready over here. And what this does is this thing, I mean, it just kind of just withers down to not much of nothing. But man, what you're left with that bacon onion jam, y'all, it is something else. It is something else. Couple that with some beautiful ground brisket that we got. Oh, y'all, it's gonna be some good groceries. All right, so we got this onion. We got it nice and chopped up. Our bacon, I've already got, this is about 1 pound of bacon, and just use whatever bacon you like. And I just sliced this into fairly small little chunks, okay? We got that done. We're gonna come over to our griddle. I'm gonna put it right here in the middle. Our onions, we're gonna put those right next to the bacon. What we're doing here, we're rendering the bacon. We're also needing that fat to go over with the onions as well, okay? Start sweating those down. And this is a little bit of a labor of love. It's gonna take, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes probably to get this bacon jam ready, all right? All right, our onions, we're gonna add just a little bit of fat right now. That's just some regular old oil of your choice. Help get a little bit of that water out. We're gonna add some salt to these onions. We're just gonna let those do their magic on the Blackstone, let that bacon render out and start to get nice and crispy. Let's talk about our brisket burgers. I went over and had my buddies at the butcher shop. I had them grind some fresh brisket right from the point. And it's gonna be nice and fatty, which I think makes a really good burger. I mean, look at that burger meat right there. I mean, it's gonna be lovely. I got a nice little ring mold here, and I'm not looking for a thin patty by no means. I want kind of thick patty, maybe about 5.6 to 6 ounces. Okay, something about yay big. And it's got some substance to it, all right? No little thin burger here, y'all. It's gonna be a big boy. Let's go check on our bacon and our onions. Just kind of check in. Hey, y'all doing all right over here? Yeah, they said they all right. They all right. And once your bacon gets kind of crispy, I mean, you kind of need this crispy. Number one, you want to render all the fat. And one thing I want to tell you I bring it up against the side here and I just kind of mash that together. You see, it's still giving me some fat there. But we're gonna take these off. I'm gonna put them in a bowl for right now. And we've got to finish these onions up. We're gonna add this back to the onions here in a minute. But I mean, these onions right here are already nice and softened. But gotta give them a little bit more, okay? They need more. So we're gonna come in, we're gonna do some brown sugar. A little brown sugar. It's gonna give it a nice little sweetness. Now for some richness, balsamic vinegar. Balsamic vinegar and onions are glorious. Absolutely glorious. I'll come in with some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce is glorious too. And just for a little bit more tang, a little apple cider vinegar. Woohoo, boy. Look at this glorious bunch of mess here. We're just gonna let this get thick. Let it get just sticky. Sticky, ooey, gooey. I wanna add the bacon back to it. Let that bacon get some of that too. And that creates a nice little texture because the bacon is kind of crispy, onions soft. Oh, it's gonna be good. This bacon jam is gonna be good. We're just gonna let this stuff just kind of hang out over here and we're gonna start our brisket burgers. Let's talk about seasoning for our brisket burgers. They need some seasoning. And we're gonna come in with some of this essential blend. That's got your salt, it's got your pepper, a little garlic. It's got the essentials, okay? And then we'll come in with some of this blackened steak seasoning because I like it. Like it on steak, like it on burgers. It's really good. The other side, I'm gonna season them when I put them down onto the griddle, all right? I think our griddle is ready, all right? I'll come right here. Come on this other side. Season these up. All right. The jam's looking good. In a couple of minutes, we're gonna flip these burgers. Ooh, man, that thing is loose. Woo! Man, those things, that's gonna be a good burger. That's gonna be a good burger. Let's go ahead and toast our buns. We got a lot of nice fat right there from that brisket. We're gonna toast those buns in. Woohoo! Nothing like a little bit of beef tallow. All right, let's see where these buns are. Oh yeah. Why don't I just use a spatula? All right. That's one for the dog. All right, I'm gonna use a spatula this time. Boy, that thing was hot. Put that right over there. I don't know if I said I'm using a brioche bun. Really, really dig a brioche bun. I don't know why. I like a potato roll too, but a nice brioche just works. Our bowl from earlier, I think our bacon onion jam is pretty much done. Look at all that it reduced to. Oh man, oh man. There we go. I'll put that right there. Right there. All right, just looking at our little situation here with these burgers, I think they're done. And I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this bacon jam on the burger. Like that. Just like that. Whew, man. That's a mound right there. Now I'm gonna put cheese, American cheese. It's time to build our burgers. Duke's mayonnaise, state law. It's got a little bit of a crunch to it. That burger bun does, that brioche bun. And the good thing about that is it stands up to a big old burger like what we have. For a little bit of freshness, I thought, you know, we need something. This is kind of rich, you know. Thought a little bit of tomato right onto the bottom right here. Season them maters, y'all. Season them maters. Let's get these suckers off onto our buns. Maybe just a little bit more of this right on top. That way you know what you're messing with. Like I know what I'm messing with. It's bacon onion jam. That's what I'm messing with. Let's put a little bit of lettuce right on top. Now that right there, my friends, is a burger. Brisket burger with bacon onion jam. Woohoo! All right. This is the time you all been waiting for. Let's give this a try. Let's give it a cut. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that ooey, gooey goodness. It's like dripping. Ha. Y'all, that brisket burger, it's phenomenal. It's so loose. Fat ratio, I don't know what it was. That bacon onion jam. It's the jam. It is the jam. Y'all, your burger week, just like my burger week, needs to have one of these right here, y'all. Hey, I appreciate you watching. Head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome burgers just like this. I am Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.